Welcome from Kagid Store. In this video you will learn how to clean the bathroom professionally and cleanly. Some people take a long time to clean the bathroom, wasting soapy water, simply because they do not know the correct, convenient, practical and quick cleaning method, provided that the cleaning process is careful and focused. This video is not allowed. The types of cleaning are divided into two parts: daily and weekly. Daily cleaning is surface cleaning, and weekly cleaning is deep cleaning. Daily cleaning tools: 1 rubber glove to keep your hands clean and protect them from salon effects and dryness, 2 soap dispensing and cleaning sponge, 3 towel to dry the water after cleaning, 4 antiseptic spray such as Dettol and disinfectant spray such as Clorox, 5 floor scrubbing brush only, 6 toilet brush, 7 floor and window squeegee, 8 sachets new rubbish. Put a cap full of Dettol or any of your favorite disinfectant into a spray bottle, adding water to half of the bottle, and you have a light, on-the-go spray ready. You can make another can of Clorox, either as a diluted with water, or as a concentrate so that the whole box is not transferred to the toilet during cleaning. Instructions: 1. Toiletries. They must be placed in one bucket to make it easy to carry, and they are all in one color to know that they are for the bathroom. 2. Put the clothes and towels in the laundry basket, and lift everything on the floor before starting to clean. 3. Wear a washroom-only mitt for quick and thorough cleaning and protection of your hand. First, steps to clean the toilet seat. First, clean the inside of the toilet, spray a little of the look inside it, and rub the brush for cleaning the sink, taking care to clean its inner edges. This video is not allowed. You can use in this place only tissues and spray soap on them. Clean them well and then dispose of the tissues in the trash before changing them, because this area usually has a bit of dirt. Clean the toilet cover by soap with a sponge for the chair only. You should rub it a little with a soft sponge. Do not use a rough sponge so as not to scratch the chair and leave a bad effect on it. Be sure to clean it well, and after cleaning spray it with water immediately and then dry it. Wipe the back and top of the toilet seat where the water is pressed. Spray soap all over and wait 2 minutes for it to sanitize. Scrub with the brush from all sides and from the inside corners. Wash it with water and make sure there are no stains or soap. If there are stains, clean it again. Question: do you use these for cleaning? No, because it leaves a bad effect and causes scratches. Second, clean the wash basin steps. Clean the sink by dividing it into parts. Clean the places under the soap box and the toothbrushes well. The faucet shines well. This indicates that you cleaned the wash basin as soon as you see its glossiness and freedom from water stains. Pay attention to this until you are a professional. Clean the sink and its corners by rubbing traces of putty stains or any color, and clean the upper wall of the sink. It may have traces. Items must be removed before cleaning. Wipe it with a dry towel. Wash the soap tray. Make sure that there are no stains on the sink. Wipe the mirrors and their corners with the designated towel and glass soap and make them clean and free of any traces of the towel. Third, steps to clean the floor. Scrub with a brush and soap, and pay attention to cleaning joints and corners. Wash it well with water, and no trace of soap remains, important, so that no one slips. Wipe the floor from the water and dry it well. Make sure: 1. Put a new plastic bag in the trash. The trash must not be left empty of the bag. 2. Add soap, tissue, and clean towels. 3. Leave the door open and the fan to ventilate the place, then close it after 10 minutes. If the house has a rarely used bathroom or guest bathroom, let us tell you how to clean it simply. The benefit of daily cleaning. It is always clean and ready to use, and you don't have to clean it in case dust collects. Steps for cleaning a non-Ionia bathroom. Clean the mirrors, wipe the frame and corners. Wipe the sink with a cleaning spray and a dry towel. If the floor is clean and he does not use the bathroom, you can wipe it with a spray cleaner. This video is not allowed. Do you now know how to clean? The bathroom used by children must be re-cleaned again during the day, for example 7 p.m. Steps to clean the bathroom again during the day. In the evening, use a damp towel containing disinfectant, and wipe immediately afterwards with a dry towel, starting from top to bottom. Pay attention to the spots of dirty hands on the toilet seat from all sides. Make sure it is clean well, and there are no traces of dirt, odors, or moisture on the chair. Replace the existing water after cleaning it. Put a little disinfectant on the floor, and wipe it with a towel or mop. Spray the sanitizer on the sink. Wipe it all. Polish the faucet from the traces of hands and make it sparkling clean. Water stains. If you do not wipe, it will leave a trace as if you did not clean the sink. Touches that make your work professional. Important details that make your daily work professional. Polishing water rinser. Sterilize the door handle. Arrange the bathroom rug. Before leaving, take one last look at the bathroom so that you do not forget something to put it back in its place, and do not leave any hygiene tools inside the bathroom. The smell of the bathroom should be a sign of cleanliness. It is preferable to hang the cleaning schedule behind the bathroom door for a certain period until you learn and become an easy routine, and always have a blunt pen in your pocket to write. You are amazing. When you work hard and active, you will feel satisfied and happy. Remember, this time will not come back. Let it pass with sincerity and joy. You are a source of strength for your family, because you have money and a job. Thanks for watching. This video was made by Kagid.